See, nobody can close Nigeria's mouth. Nigeria have come a way that they are both the person that you just tie. You don't tell when they don't tie Nigeria from one side. But now Nigeria don't open eye. They don't want to say we don't tire to carry any more of their shit. Let us come outside. Let us smoke the truth. Say the truth will set you free. No matter the situation. See, Nigeria have come a long way, very far away. But now their eye don't open. So the government are now knowing that things are going falling apart with them. Because before you know, they will be out of there. Because they can't live there forevermore. Now you are making a law that nobody should talk. I will not talk. Where we created mouth for? See, Nigeria is only country any day we just wake up see one law. All those laws don't exist. They are chameleon law. They don't have color. They don't even have shadow. So we are not going to follow that rules. We will talk against injustice. If you are unjustified, people will come out and say the truth. They will say their heart out. So there is no law on earth that will don't let you speak the real truth. Jesus Christ said the truth will set you free. So we must say the truth. Any law covering not to say the truth, that means they have skeleton in their cupboard. That's why they are afraid, and they must be afraid because they are afraid. They are bad. When you are bad, you are ruling your people negatively, and you cheat. They will just sit down and be looking at you, just following like a mugu. But one day they will realize that you don't tell what the mugu. Me I know the mugu again. Me I will talk. So I have to para for me. We go para for them. Now you say me we don't para. That one don't exist. There must be para. And when para pass para overtake para. You understand? So they will not realize. That's why no law on the land you can fix. It's not possible. Military self never do and the place of civilian. So let them do the right thing. If you do the right thing, all those who only about the bush, which are about the corner, you know what happen now. Do the right thing. Nigeria is too complicated for you to be taken for a granted. We don't pass that one now. Nigeria is all over the world. Just like say that Nigeria get over. Because we dey for here, we dey hungry. So in a few maltreat us, no light, maltreat us, no road, maltreat us, everything, no fuel, no food. Okay, now always us there for this earth. Okay, at the end of the day, you say close your mouth. It's impossible, it can't happen.
The international community shut down, intervened. Not Amnesty International, have to call the Speaker of the Federal House of Assembly, Tajuddin Abbas, to withdraw that immediately. Or what you will have seen, he has passed the first reading, the second reading. What would have been the state of Nigeria if such bill has passed?
See, they are just playing with the life of Nigeria. They are playing with millions of Nigerians. Just for example, see the last week protest. See, they believe that it can't happen because they were lobbying, dropping money, billions that they're supposed to use to care for you and I, trying to stop the protest. You can see what's happening in part of Nigeria. So now, you see, when you now bring a law that will now suffocate Nigeria, there will be revolution, wicked revolution. There will be mass protest that you can't even stop it. Everybody will come outside. Everybody will use their last blood to say their last energy to make sure that their unborn children will never partake in this suffering.
But this happened when Buhari, Jonathan, Tinubu, Abu Salami were in a meeting in Abuja and this law was passed. It doesn't mean that these people are not leaders.
They try to make a meeting. See, he said, army and politicians, they make a meeting. They want to divide. See, I'm sorry for Nigeria. See, Nigeria is coming one way. See, when they push you to the wall, you are running. No, there is no way entrance. You have to come back and face who is pursuing you. Either you are eliminated or is eliminated. One must win. See, when you now make all of them, they're supposed to gather together and bring the solution that will make Nigeria at peace. They now bring another language that will make you to be more angry. More fuel, put inside fuel, you turn to more fire. You see, they don't understand what all of them, they are the bed of the same feather. They looted Nigeria too much, but they don't know that God is watching them. God is watching them. They are now afraid of themselves. They are afraid.
They said
they are afraid.
A northerner came out and alleged that Tinubu is behind the crisis that's happening in Nigeria. He has over 12 or 21 oil wells. His children are controlling Ajib, and Oando filling station, and he is the owner of the refinery in Finland, and the money they are generating from subsidy, is going to Tinubu's pocket that Tinubu is just pretending about the state of Nigeria. This is coming from a northerner. His name is Galolo. What is your reaction to that?
Let us be frank with ourselves. Right from day one, we know all this where the whole Nigeria. But me and you now, our eyes don't open. We are hearing because God will make them to expose themselves for you and I to take our own position with them. See, we don't know. See, Tinubu knows that he come with authority for his own self. And now he came under 1 year. It's like he's incapable of doing that authority. So 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, Nigeria they open and Nigeria will not allow those people to continue. See, what's go up must come down. No matter how you be, no matter how powerful you are, you must come down. You must return to that reality that God saved you. Because you are maltreating the children of the Most High God. God is watching. No matter your words, well, one day you can sleep and you don't wake up. So you have to do the right thing. Sending your children everywhere, and millions of Nigeria are in abject poverty. Inside your heart, there is no happiness there. No matter who you are, there is no happiness. They don't have happiness. And that unhappiness with children will begin to torment them. Because you have to do the will of Him. Let peace reign. Let everything be equal. Why are we suffering? Somebody who have 18 oil fish. Imagine you're a president, you have refinery, and there is no fuel here. And you sleep, you wake up, you think you are a human being.
But he's making money.
You are not a human being.
Yeah,
how much is he making? What is the meaning of money? What is the meaning of money? See, you have to live and live a reputation. Look, somebody like Mandela. You see Mandela, the war end, they will remember him for his goodness. You understand? They have many people like that. Say, let people remember you for goodness. Not because you
respect his family.
Yes, your family will be respected. They will say, this is the grandchild, now that man, see, you will be acquiring fresh aroma from God. Because you were given opportunity and you do it well. Sometimes you are given opportunity and you're not using that opportunity to maltreat Nigeria, maltreat your people, maltreat the people that you believe that you are governing. You are swallowing their sweat. You can't live
but
in peace.
He said nobody voted for him. He bought his way to the presidency.
Yes,
and his second term again, he's going to do the same thing, whether Nigerians like it or not. That if INEC chairman Mahmoud Yakub becomes a threat, he will remove him and bring a Yoruba man.
See, all those language is a language of inferior. Inferior. Did you know tomorrow? Somebody make a statement like that. You can boast on your chest. Ategu can change this afternoon. If Ategu change to red, you don't see color of Ategu before. You know what call Ategu? When you see, you don't even see color of air. You don't even know where you go. You can post. You can post. See, I'm telling you, this government with their policy continue like this 2-3 years, they can't survive coming back.
With money.
They can't. No, see, money. We have seen what money have done to us. You understand? We don't see what the money done to us. Money, you collect money, you chop finish. The years coming, you are suffering and smiling wickedly. So you not say, no, I won't take that money anymore. Let us go this straight forward. Let us queue, mass queue for the right person, not by threatening us. You can't threat us forever. It's not possible. We are human like you. But that the position you are, anything can happen. You have to do the right thing because Nigeria is tired of what is happening to Nigeria. Even though those one outside, the diaspora, they know that their country is not being governed well. Forget their propaganda. They will go here and say Nigeria is stupid. Look at everything. Everything is upside down. And you are boasting that you want to rule. It's not possible to rule people second time.
Are you not surprised that some of these laws they are saying they are bringing out now is as a result of Muslim ticket?
You see, those laws they are trying to bring us. They are trying to make their way a way where there is no way. You understand? You come outside in the morning, you change Nigeria national anthem just from nowhere to another way. We now focus on that side. You come outside again, you say this, law. See, one day they're not going to see law right again. You can't be writing the very first story because you are not capable of staying in that office. You are looking for one way or the other to escape. No escaping route. Do the right thing. Somebody that collected 21 million naira and see Nigeria. See, We are tired of their system. Yes, we are tired of their system.
The government agency say it's 1 million.
Imagine.
Senators came is 21 million.
Okay. See
And they are paying somebody 70,000 naira.
In Nigeria, see, they are bed of the same feather. They are mafians. But mafian days are numbers. Mafia don't rule forever. Mafias will never rule forever. They rule and go. The real one will come. But if they don't take time, they will go untimely. Their time no go reach. No go reach because Nigeria and small people now don't say in the suffer because of the situation of the government, not Nigeria problem. The people that rule us is the problem. They put it in the object badly poverty level. So you are glorify yourself. One say 1 million, one say 21,000. The same government. Can you imagine? So they will expose themselves more. They will not fight themselves. They will not put fuel and petrol in themselves and burn themselves. Things happen like that. Things happen like that because you are not telling the truth to the people that you are serving. And they just they say they get people when they serve. When governor, president, senator, they are maltreating the populace of Nigeria, forgetting that somebody brought Nigeria to existence.
Why is it that we are not seeing pastors standing up?
They are afraid. Majority of them is afraid. Now they not turn pastor to their underground treacherous looters. Understand? So before we are not living like this. See, the politician, let me give you this. See, the politician brought us like this. Because now, even the army now, politicians, they don't give them injection. Army no give outfit as army as before. Army is not part of them. Everybody is not part of them. Everybody is part of them. Why? Because they don't use money. Finish all of them. Worshipping money. See, pastor, no one care whether you go kill somebody, no one knows. Maybe carry money come drop for church. It's not good. You carry the best money come. See, pastor, they're supposed to talk like this kind of time. We have the pastor, all of them say, have patience. How long? Before they will stood up and say, no, my people are suffering. Do the right thing, let my people not be suffering. My people are hungry. They are not supposed to be hungry. My people are chased out of the farm. Why? Who are they? Are they spirits? But now, all of them, they know what? They go one side. They go one side. Why? Why they go one side? No one made a demolition church and build a season. That's it. They are not God. They are just business in God's house. So we must have real pastors. They will talk. We need real people that will talk. We don't believe GOC. We hear of millions of GOC, general officer. How many of the general officers don't say, Tinubu, your policy is bad. Spoke out the truth. All of them. Have patience. Give us how long? When you go good for the evening, you go start from good in the morning. If you not good in the morning, evening around 0. Okay, now you say make it continue like that. It's bad. See, our pastors made a change our orientation because God is watching them. Because you are putting in the house of God to monitor the affair of the government. Spoke out. Spoke out. Spoke the truth. The spirit in you is the spirit of God. Let the spirit tell you the reality. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of them. Don't be afraid of this. Spoke the heart of God to them, and they can change. We are Nigeria. We are not supposed to be in this type of situation. It's getting out of hand. Every day you don't go hear positive. Only you and your God. And it's not supposed. It's not supposed. Of all what we have, trillion, not the billion again. Okay, where is the impact in our life?